I just had to let you know you're.
Hello everyone, before I start my speech, I want to introduce myself. First, I am John Ray Aguilera. My speech is about my story from grade 7 to college. How I learned to become an independent student in order to finish my studies. When I was in grade 7, my studies were okay. I went to school every day and my classmates and I were happy laughing and joking around together in one room, but at the same time, I meet friends who are not a good influence on me. Because of that, I was often called to the office because of fighting. After a few months, the volcano erupted. We had no classes for a month. When we were able to go back to Talisay, I thought our fun at school with friends would continue again. But sadly, there was total lockdown at Talisay and from then on, we were never together again. After 3 years, we were able to go back to study. I was in grade 10. I choose not to pay attention to the temptation and teasing on my friends. It was here that I learned to be an independent student. I worked in a grocery store. When I was in senior high school, I myself was supporting myself. I experienced working under the intense heat of the sun doing duty of the grocery store and enduring tiredness just so I could continue my studies. It was not easy, but I was still able to finish senior high school. It was just so I would have money for myself. To have money to pay for school until I finished senior high school and until I graduated K-12. I become an independent student who worked it through. It was hard, but I still choose to endure it just so I could finish my studies without stepping on other people. I learned that it was only myself who was fighting myself through school. Now that I'm in college, my sister is here to support me with my daily expenses. Having someone to help really makes a big difference, and it motivates me even more to value my education. So my advice to my students like me is while someone is willing to help you or while you still have the chance to do it, it becomes even harder when you start facing real life on your own. Now, I'm still striving to reach my dream. I realize that no matter how many problems and trials come into life, we should not give up. Every trials makes us stronger and helps us become more resilient. And as long as a God is there and we believe in Him, we can overcome all trials.
I just had to let you know you're.